Hello and welcome to Maturing Beautifully with Miss Catherine. Today we are going to be going through a really quick and easy process about fake tan, or a simple wash off fake tan that allows you to go from being, I guess, white, which is completely what I am, to a beautiful bronze glowy look for the day. And the great thing is that you can go home if you're staying in a hotel, or if you're staying at someone's house and you're worried about the sheets. You can just go home, have a shower and wash it off. And this involves two easy, I guess, formulations that you've probably got in your, beauty drawer at the moment. If not, I'm going to pop on here a really quick little bronzer that I've bought, and it's only $4 from Kmart, which we love the Kmart and the Ox brand. And my favourite, this is a beautiful cocoa butter, which is the Palmer's one. It has a beautiful smell, which is like coconut, and it just gives you off that beautiful summer smell. So even if you just sort of wear that by itself and no perfume, or if you've got your own, like, I've got a Chanel No. 5 lotion, so you could pop a little bit of that into the body lotion and just put that all over you, so you still smell like your regular perfume. Because some of these fake tans too at the moment, they just have a really bad smell, and it just sort of gives you that sort of annoying fragrance. So this is so quick, so I'm just going to put a little bit of a video of how I've made it, and you can see here it's so easy. You just get your moisturizer, pop it in with your bronzer, scrape it into a powder, mix it into a bowl, and then you're ready to go. Another quick, easy step for me to use is, because I hate getting it on my hands, and even when I put fake tan on, which lately doesn't seem to be very often, and I even just get some of these gloves like you're doing an operation, but we're operating on our fake tan today. So the good thing about this is you basically put it on with your, hands onto your body. And the great thing is, if you're away somewhere, or if you're ready to get out the door in a hurry and you're going to a wedding or whatever it may be, just pop it on with your gloves, take them off at the end and just put a little bit on your hands and rub it together. And then you're ready to go, and you don't have to worry about, washing your hands and things like that and it getting into your nails, because there's nothing worse than it getting into your nails. So as you can see from, what I'm wearing at the moment, and I've popped a little picture in here as well, my legs are very white, which is fine. We all don't mind the white legs, and, as I said, white's fine if you like it. But for me, I just love, you'll see the before and after once I've popped this on. So I'm going to skedaddle out of here. I'm going to strip off. And I guess also, be careful when you're wearing white. This is probably a really good thing to do if you're not wearing white. If you're wearing white, maybe stick to your fake tan, and make sure you wash it off. But this is great if you're wearing colours and you've just got a quick sort of get up and go. So I'm going to stop it now, have a quick little add-on, and then I'll show you the difference. Okay, welcome back. I've done the strip off and now I'm clothed again, so I'll stand up, and I've popped a little bit of the photos of before and after. It's hard to tell probably in the videos, but I know myself, I feel a lot different and a lot more sort of bronzed and ready to go for the day out. So with your hands though, as I said, all you do is pop a little bit on your hands like so, and then just rub them together and just build it up to sort of the level that you want it to be. And even, you can pop some of this into a little container like so, and take it out with you in your handbag if you need to sort of top up, or, put a little bit more on your chest, even down here. And if you wanted to, you could also add a bit of sparkle in there. So mix a bit of some sort of sparkle into that mixture and pop that on your chest as well if you need that sort of more, if it's an evening event and you're just wanting to add a bit of sparkle, or just add it on top. But if you add it on top, it just sort of might, I guess, change the lotion a little bit. But I wish I had smell-o-vision, because I just smell like this beautiful coconut butter sort of, oh my gosh, it's just divine. And this one's an intensive body lotion too, so it actually says that it's 48-hour moisturization for your body. And I know I don't moisturize my body enough, so I'm starting to try and do more of that too, because as we know, as we get older, our skin gets drier and blah, blah, blah. So basically that's it. I'm ready to go. So I'm just going to stand up and show you. And today I'm wearing, some blue sunglasses to sort of go with my... So as I said, for me, I can sort of tell the difference, but I know in the photos it probably doesn't look too much different. But for me, I just feel a little bit more sort of, probably hard to tell, but with the photos up and down, you can, with the difference there and left and right, You can tell it just adds this beautiful brown sort of, I guess, bronzed effect. And I just feel a lot more confident. And as I said, just a little bit, when you walk in, your legs don't feel so, they're white skin tone. So look, ladies, I hope that's helped. I never have enough time to self-tan sometimes. And as I said, staying in hotels, and if you're at someone's house, you don't want to sort of, ruin their sheets, which I've done before. So thank you so much again for watching. And, please hit subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Have a wonderful day and lots of love, because it's been a bit of a love week this week. And take care, and I'll see you next time.